Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is one of the oldest natural foods in the world. Honey. Golden, sweet, powerful. People have used honey for centuries, not only for flavor, also for natural wellness. Let's begin with energy. Honey contains natural sugars. Your body uses these sugars as quick fuel. This supports daily activity. Many people use honey before exercise or busy work. Another important benefit is antioxidants. Honey contains natural compounds that help protect your cells from internal stress. This supports long-term wellness. Then comes your throat. Warm tea with honey is popular in many cultures. Some people use honey to help soothe throat discomfort. Another important area is digestion. Honey may support gut balance. Your digestive system may function more comfortably. Now let's talk about your heart. Honey contains plant compounds that support circulation. This helps your cardiovascular system function more efficiently. Another important point is skin health. Honey is often used in natural skincare. It may support softer, healthier appearance. Then comes your brain. Your brain needs stable energy for daily function. Honey may support mental activity. Another important benefit is recovery. After physical activity, your body needs energy plus hydration. Honey may help support this process. But here is the truth. Honey is still sugar. Even natural sugar should be used in moderation. Too much honey is not healthy. Balance always matters. Another important point is quality. Pure natural honey is usually better than highly processed products. Now here is the key idea. Nature already provides many useful foods. Simple natural choices can support your body in powerful ways. Because real health is built from small, consistent habits, repeated every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.